How to access display settings on an LG phone. The display settings on your LG phone allow you to customize many settings to change how the display looks and tailor it to suit your needs. To access the display settings, first open Settings on your phone, then tap on Display. The first options you can adjust are the home screen, including wallpaper, icon shapes, how to sort apps, or hide apps, the status bar and navigation bar, and the AOD, or Always On Display, settings. Next, you can customize and enable Comfort View to reduce blue light and eye strain. You can also customize and enable Night Mode and Screen Color. You can adjust the font type and size, the accent color and display size, as well as app scaling. These settings can make things on the screen much easier to see. You can adjust the brightness and enable auto brightness, change the screen timeout to save battery life, or give you more time before the screen turns off. Enable auto rotate, adjust the screensaver, and for some phones, enable one-handed screen operation. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.